Hello again everybody, and welcome to episode 4 of the big model railway layout rebuild, and it's coming on. Yes, I'm in Gwendolyn, and you might be thinking, well, you're supposed to be working on the layout. In actual fact, in a way I am. It's just that the campsite that we use at Manorbier, the owner, a lady, she's seriously ill, and Mandy's over there helping her with things at the moment, and she phoned and said that she'd got all these things and materials and stuff which might be useful for the railway layout, the rebuild. So she did a video call, and sure enough there's stuff there that's well worth having. So the lady's giving it away. So I thought, okay, I'll go over and see her and collect the goodies. That bit over there is the last piece of track that I've got to take out, and that will be it. All the track will be up. There we are, what's left. And I've discovered that I've taken this narrow board down here, which did run along there with the 2 tracks on, and I'm going to put a slightly wider board on, and I'm going to be able to get 3 tracks going all the way around that corner there. There's another job I've got to do. I like to paint my own scenery, background scenery, and what I do, I put lining paper on the wall and then paint what I want on that. So that's got to be over painted white, and then I can paint the appropriate scenery afterwards. And the same thing goes for the other end of the room. Before I paint the scenery out, I'm tipping it into this bucket, which has got a load of bits in it, but if I sieve that, I should be able to reclaim a lot of ballast from it. After much scraping, sawing, stapling down pieces, and finally having a good vacuum, I ended up with this. In the last episode I showed my first thoughts of the layout. Well, there's been one or two changes. Basically the thing is the same, except that I've now made an extension out there, so I've got a lot more room, bed space. Thing is, I've actually managed to squeeze a little bit more room along here, so I can get my 3 tracks around there. And I'll show what I mean in reality. There's the board, which used to just carry 2 tracks around this corner here. It now got room to carry 3. And there's that extension piece that I put in the centre. And what I've got in mind for this is to build a hill here, where I may be able to get my funicular railway running up one side and the cable car around the other, and the heritage railway running from over there along round the hill with a station to drop people off at the funicular, and then round the hill again and back to a terminal station over there. This side I've left a bit wider than I was going to, and here I've got what will be water, and this will be the dock side here, and along there at the end of it a little canal basin with a canal running along the side there where that white piece of timber is. Over in the corner there a piece of natural timber or wood which we found somewhere, and that's going to be a waterfall with a river running down here somewhere like that. And what I've done with the station here, which is there, or will be, I've just dropped it down very, very slightly to get a bit of interest at the back there, and the station will be there with an incline down there and along to the end where the industrial area will be. It is over there. The other thing which I've done is save all the turnouts that I had, and I've laid them out more or less where they will go, and down this end, and there's that switch over there, which is a modified version of this one, and that lot there, which is a modified version of coming down to the station. So everything you see is made up of wood that I've salvaged off the old layout, scrap timber that I found lying around in my stores, and some donated by the lady of Manorbier. Oh, well, that's about it for this time. And that's most of the boring work out of the way. Now we get on to the interesting bit. And I think I'm going to be spending a lot of time at my workstation here, building all the bits for the scenery and so on. And the control panel, which I think I'm going to have over here on a slide out. So thanks for watching this one, and if you want to see what the old layout looked like, which is very, very different to this one, I'll put a link up here somewhere at the end of the video of the playlist that I've made for the old railway, all parts of it anyway. So for this time, thanks for watching, bye bye, and hopefully come back, see some more. Thanks for watching. Please like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. BFN. Bye for now.